This video is a continuation video of last update problem video. So in this video, let us see the temporary update problem. This time the two transactions are scheduled in this way. After the first transaction records its modification, the second transaction execution has started. Now assume that after the second transaction has recorded its updation to the database, the control is switched from second transaction to the first transaction, and while the first transaction is reading the data item X, because of some internal error, the first transaction has failed. So what happens is, in order to maintain database consistency, whenever a transaction gets failed, all the modifications made by the transaction till that point are to be rolled back. What happens is, the modification made by the first transaction has been taken by the second transaction, and now the first transaction is rolled back. So this requires the second transaction to get rolled back. Whether the second transaction is still in execution or the second transaction has completed its execution and committed, all the changes made by the second transaction should also be rolled back. If this doesn't happen, then it causes temporary update problem. The modification made by the first transaction is taken by the second transaction, and the first transaction is rolled back. So what happens is, the modification made by the first transaction is temporary as far as second transaction is concerned. So this problem is temporary update problem. This time let us consider another transaction T3, which is a summarization transaction. So for summarizing the balances in all the accounts, the third transaction is reading the amount from account A and adding it to the sum, then read the value from account B and add it to sum, and so on. And the first transaction is as shown in the previous case. So it is transferring n amount from account X to account Y. So here what happens is, the third transaction is taking the value of X after modification, and it's taking value of Y before Y is modified. So after the third transaction has taken the value of Y, the value of Y is being modified by the first transaction. The consequence of this is, the summary that is produced by third transaction would be incorrect. So this problem is referred to as incorrect summary problem. So far we have discussed about last update problem, temporary update problem or dirty read problem, and incorrect summary problem. So these three problems are due to the lack of control on concurrency. So if you have any doubts, you can contact me. My email ID is achaprala@gmail.com. Thank you for watching this video.